Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
We are going to Walmart for a quick fill-in haul.
All right, let's get to it.
So we went really early in the morning. The music's really loud, so we didn't get record a lot of the areas because of copyrighted music. So now we're going to tell you everything that we've gotten so far really quick. And I will also put the price on the screen since I wasn't there getting it. $9.28 for this. It went up 80 cents for this size, but that's okay because it's still cheaper than buying Coke. We got 4 of the Pringles, and the reason why is because I have a rebate offer for $1 back if you buy 4 at one time. So that will get us $1 back in rebate offer. It's $1.96 for each one. I did record the actual label on this one so that I can throw it up there and show you that 3 months later they still haven't updated the label. These were $6.48. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Did you check the price?
No.
Okay, but that's what it said on the label, was $6.48. He'll let you know if it was wrong. We also did not do a price check on this. We normally get the generic version, but unfortunately they were out of the cookies and cream.
$6.48.
So you don't get to hear me complain about the fact that they still haven't updated the label this week. So anyway, it says $4.68 on the label. I also got these, and these two, I got 2 of them, and they're for me. I use them just as a quick snack. They're very filling, and they don't have a lot in them, so it's better than some things you could get. I even used this in some of my soup the other day instead of getting crackers. That worked pretty good too. But anyway, I had a rebate for 50 cents off each bag, so that means I'll get $1 back because I could have done it up to 5 times. Unfortunately, there wasn't 5 bags to get. So, all right. And by the time that you see this video, Joel will have been on a business trip, and he has to drive the whole distance for it. So he likes to snack on Sour Patch Kids when he has to drive long distances. So we got him this gigantic bag of Sour Patch Kids to keep him awake while he's driving. We picked up some spinach for smoothies. Price went down 15 cents from $3.13 to $2.98. Yay! We also grabbed 2 French breads at $1.47 each. Okay, so we're grabbing 4 potatoes. I don't see the price. Is that the price? I don't see a price. Okay. We don't know what the price is, but anyway, we got 4 of them, and we're doing our taco stuffed potatoes again, and so that's why we're getting 4 of those. But we're getting me 2 sweet potatoes so that I can make mine with sweet potato instead of white potato. 88 cents for 1 bunch of cilantro, 2 limes, 38 cents each.
It's all done at Walmart, and our total is going to be right here.
Mm-hmm. And that's out of a budget of $600 for 3 adults. We don't normally tell this, but it was asked in a recent comment that we don't normally actually use the whole $600. We kind of like having a plentiful budget, knowing that we probably won't use the whole $600. We move any leftover money that is in that budget at the end of the month over to a household essentials sinking fund that we use for anything from toiletries to household goods, decor, anything like that. And so we actually average more in the probably low 400s. Before we move on to the meal plan, we'll quickly tell you what happened when we went up to the register. The price of the Pepsis, y'all saw that on the screen. Well, when it was rung up, it was like $11.98. So we quickly let the cashier know that that was not the price on the thing, and she changed it.
Yep.
But y'all gotta watch, because literally the week before, or the 2 weeks before, the total price of the Pepsis was $8.48 on the rollback. They removed the rollback price and put the $9 thing there. But then in the system, it was $11.98. So be sure to watch at the register when the prices are being rung up, or if you're doing it at a self-checkout. And that's over $2 difference. We weren't going to pay that. So be careful and watch the prices.
All right, so moving on to the meal plan now.
We're going to start with leftovers.
Yep.
From other meals that we had in the previous part of the week.
And then we're going to do breakfast foods.
That's right. And that is because Joel is going to be out of town. That's actually the leftovers, and then the breakfast foods the next day is just me not wanting to cook a big meal when it's just myself and my son. So we'll be just eating easy stuff.
Okay.
So anyway, the next day we're going to have a bacon fried rice, and that is a try something new recipe.
Yep. So you can vote on that for recipe of the week.
That's right. If you see a recipe of the recipe alert button, that means that we have made that before on the channel, and you can find it down in the recipe playlist. But if you don't see that, then that means we've never made it, and maybe you want to ask us to show you how we make it, and that's fine. You can do that by commenting down below in the comment section.
Yep.
All right.
Then we're going to do cilantro lime chicken.
That's right. And then we'll have leftovers.
And then we're going to do taco stuffed potatoes.
Homemade pizza.
And then we'll have leftovers from the potatoes, taco stuffed potatoes. We'll do those.
And then the next Monday we're going to have chicken and gravy.
And we'll have leftovers from that.
Okay. And that's pretty much it.
Yep. Drop us a comment below and let us know about the what you want to vote on for the recipe of the week. It seems like there's only one in there that you can vote for. If you have
you can vote for anything, but it'll be us redoing a recipe that is already on the playlist.
Yep. So drop us a comment below if you have a recipe you'd like for us to try. We'd always love to hear about more and different recipes that we could try here on the channel.
Yep.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes on the weekend, sometimes in between. Just kind of never know. We're going to drop one in there. With that said, that's going to do it today for The Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.